It's time to sell absolutely nothing, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm planning on buying as soon as we see this dump towards the downside finish. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can identify the same zones so you can set your alerts and go and chill out and wait for the right time to pull the trigger and not do what everyone else is doing right now and not doing what many people are doing right now and writing little angry comments on YouTube videos and panic selling to the masses. So guys, do me a favor, hit that like button and let's get into this video. So first of all, guys, we're going to start with HBAR. I'm not going to bring you every single coin that I'm going to be buying right now, but I'm going to show you the key ones. And I'm going to show you exactly why these coins are probably going to be better discounts than others. Now, we saw HBAR having a massive rally towards the upside. And as we know, HBAR is a great project. It's got some really good stuff going for it. But because it got kind of ramped up very aggressively, as I always say, anything that goes up must come down. And the harder it goes up, the harder it comes down, okay? Vice versa as well. Because HBAR went up very hard, we're now seeing it come down pretty hard as well. I do anticipate that HBAR has got a couple of buy zones obvious for me, okay? So we have one buy zone here. Already, I've probably told you. If you don't know this, you need to pay attention, guys. These candles, big candles, show me heavy buying pressure. There's more up here, okay? But that's obviously irrelevant for us now because we're lower down. When we have sideways moves, and then a big push, this is where the buying is taking place. So I can draw my box identifying that the next time we arrive into here, we're likely to bounce. And then you can see, I did say that we could bounce here. We did have a little bit of buying pressure, but we have slid underneath it. Now, if you see, guys, you can see there's no obvious area in here where we can see a buy zone. But we are on the daily chart. So we can go down to a 4-hour chart. And lo and behold, on our 4-hour chart, we can see another buy zone. You see this big push here? And we have this sideways action coming out of it. So I can drag this box, which I got down here, onto just the lower end of that buy zone. Okay, and then I will know that if HBAR is going to continue falling, it's probably going to bounce, probably in this one. If it doesn't bounce in that one, then shoot me. It could go to the next one. But I've just showed you how to find the buy zones. So HBAR could go down there. Is it there yet? No, it's not. Right click. This is tradingview.com. Absolutely free, guys. Click add alert and I can write buy HBAR and I can go create. I can get the phone, I can get the app on my phone for tradingview.com, assign the same account, and then I can go do something else and then it will ping up at some point and it will tell me to buy HBAR. But if you don't have the ability to put the app on your phone or you can't be bothered with any of that, then at least get in my Telegram, guys, and I'll tell you when I'm buying HBAR and others. And for those of you who are like, oh my god, it's going to continue going lower and lower, I'm really panicked right now. I'm trying to sell everything I own. Well, guys, watch my other video that I made today. I'll link it towards the end of this video because it explains you exactly how to deal with that emotion. It's essential watching if you are new in crypto. Even if you've been in crypto for a while, it's going to help you not be an idiot and do some sensible stuff when it comes to crypto trading. Now, for those of you who think that chasing meme coins is the answer, well, I want to be very frank with you. There are definitely people who make good money in meme coins. Good for them, okay? Usually they are the founders or the very, very early inners who are mates of the founders. You probably are not mates with the founders of Bitcoin and whatever else. So you'll inevitably want to go and buy it when it's already being spoken about by everyone, which means it's already at the top. That tends to mean it goes down. Right now, everyone's telling you to sell altcoins. So looking across to Elio Trades here, he says, let's debunk one of the biggest myths in crypto. Holding top coins from prior cycles can't make you rich. Well, guys, this is one of the biggest fallacies. However, it's only true if you fail to accumulate in a bear market. And Alex Becker tells us that more progress and adoption has been made in gaming crypto during the bear market than any other sector. Huge brands, companies, influencers are all picking it up. So what does that tell us about our next pick? It tells us that our next pick should be GALA Gaming. Obviously, there's lots of stuff in GameFi. I've talked about the importance of picking up GameFi projects because of the explosion of gaming across the world. $64.7 billion, which is just insanely large. Okay, so we need to find a coin that's going to have a big chunk of that. GALA, you can see, has been trending down like this. And what we'd really like to see is the fact that right now, we are actually bouncing on this line. So if you didn't hold any GALA yet, this for me might be a good time to be accumulating some GALA. Obviously, that's not financial advice. You need to do your own research. Why I like it, previous lines of resistance, which we've got here, and now flipped into support in line with this falling trend line. Yes, we can slide lower. No, there is not much in terms of buy zones you can identify apart from this one down at the absolute bottom. So, you know, take it with a pinch of salt. GALA, another great pick in my opinion. However, I do think that we might see something like this happening for GALA before we're seeing any significant rally. We could see maybe a bounce from here and then something like this play out. So, you know, you need to think about what might happen and how you're going to play that game of getting into it. Now, Jasmy, I made a video on this the other day. Again, phenomenal, sitting at another great position, right? I did draw this green box, and in the video, I told you I was buying in that zone. I was buying in that zone. I'm still happy I bought in that zone. Yes, we're a little bit lower right now, but you know, I tell you guys, if you're putting in, if you got $100 to put in this green area and you put in half of it, then you got another half of it. You can put it down there, bring down your average. Now we are in another very juicy looking buy zone for Jasmy, okay? Just so we can identify these buy zones, we know that this is a pump here, okay? So we know that if we're getting in here, we're likely to see a bit of a bounce. We're starting to see some wicks developing on the downside here, showing me that there is buyer intent coming into the market for Jasmy. Other coins I'm looking to buy right now, Solana, we can see it's bouncing in this area right now. We do have another buy zone here. And this is not saying that I'm going to go all in and that this is never going to do this. I do not know whether or not we've seen the bottom of the bear market, and no one knows, okay? No one knows. That's one thing that is for sure. But one thing that is also for sure, in my opinion, Solana is going to be worth a lot more than $20 one day. Is it going to go down to $10? I don't know. Maybe it will. If it does, then I can buy way more at $10 and I'll be buzzing. Okay, if you're doing this properly, guys, you actually want the prices to stay as low as they can for as long as possible, because it gives you the chance to accumulate. If you're doing it wrong, you're going all in right now, or you've already gone all in on a coin because you think that it was going to break the top and go forever. But that's where you make mistakes. Algorand, again, I was talking about this in this nice buy zone down here. Another great opportunity. Guys, you know the coins that you want to be buying, okay? You know the Quants, the Jasmys, the Algorands, the HBARs, the Ethereums, the Bitcoins, okay? Right now, you've got good opportunities to accumulate them. You're in good areas to do it. If you've done the right research and you found the right coins that you like and that they have good use cases, good teams, good tokenomics, and if you come across their coin market cap page, and then you come across to Jasmy and you can see market cap here, $218 million, fully diluted, 230 million. Not much difference in that. That means that most of the tokens are already circulating. This is a good thing. If this number is much smaller than this number, for example, if this was like twice as big as this, that's probably a big red flag for me, okay? You should also be doing that research. But all you need to do, identify the buy zones, and then you got good chances to buy in low. Make the most of the opportunity that's happening right now for all of those coins, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you have a fantastic weekend. I'll keep you updated as we go. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, remain calm. See you soon. Bye-bye.